Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm doing a quick fix on some screens that I have in the window. I won't get into what brand they are, but in my personal opinion, the design of the screens I'm not a fan of. They have these little clips in the corner, on each corner. Some of them are missing. They rattle. I feel like they're making extra noise while we go down the road. I'm not a fan. So what I'm going to do, in my mind, temporary fix, I'm going to put little dollops, little dots of hot glue from a hot glue gun in each corner to stop them from rattling. Because when I was talking to the wife, I said, we don't really take the screens out of the windows ever. So why don't we put little dots of hot glue in the corners, keep them from rattling. They won't move around. And if we ever want to take a screen out, we just pop it off. Hot glue usually just pops off pretty cleanly anyway, and we just redo it. So that's what I'm going to do today. Again, in these videos, if I ever demonstrate something, I am not an RV mechanic. I am not a professional. And most of the time, I don't do things the way they're supposed to be done, and I don't fix things the way they're supposed to be done. So this isn't a tutorial, just showing you what I'm doing to take care of a little problem that I'm having with my screens. Here's the hot glue gun, and here's what I'm talking about. Look, see, these screens, can you see this? These screens are loose in the window. They have these little dots here, these things, these little tiny, I don't even know what you call them, widgets that keep the screen in, but they're like clanking around while I'm driving. So I'm not a fan. And then some are missing. Some aren't even there. So I'm gonna put little dollops of hot glue and we'll see what that does. All right, this is my thought. Let's see. Okay, take a little, okay. See if I can get this to work without making a mess. Uh-oh. Ah! Hot. All right. See how it rattles? Rattles? No good. So my thought is stick this back here. Maybe put a little, I don't know, a little shot of hot glue. It worked already. Wow! That was easy. Let's do it on the far one. It worked really fast. Oh! Ah! Look at that. It worked very fast. Very fast. I'll even put the clip back in place. Oh, no more rattle. All right, I did this whole window, 2 screens. I think you could barely see it. Oh, I got a little extra in the back there. Looks like a booger, but I don't think anybody's even going to notice that. I got to clean it up a little bit, but from far away, you can't even see it. You'll never even know it's there. And they're not going to rattle now. So, oh, got a little extra hot glue there. Put that in the garbage. There's a kitchen window. Look, there's not even one there. There's one there, but it doesn't have the button. And then down here, you see here, like it like goes over. It's supposed to secure it in, but they're loose. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. Ah, it's falling out. See? I'm not a fan. And we very rarely ever take the screens out. So hot glue it is, baby. Kitchen window. See if I can get in here. I have to go upside down. Don't screw up. Oh, where are you? Oh, too much. I don't want that much. See, I get the strings here, but then once it dries, I clean them up. And it disappears. Get in there. In the corner. I'll clean this up, though. This will be gone. I'll clean this, tighten this all up. I got a little dollop here. A little bit down here. But when you step back, that one's a little messy. But when you step back, you can't even see it. A little bit of hot glue gun in each corner. Keep those screens from rattling while you're driving. They're like, we're not even driving and they're falling out of the window. So not a fan of the design, but this is gonna work. Appreciate you watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you out on the road. Bye. Thanks.